In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a list of contacts into your CRM using a file you already have, and you'll pick up a few best practices to make the process smooth and accurate. Before we jump in, a quick note on preparation. Zoho CRM works best with CSV or XLSX files. Make sure your file has clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone, and that each row represents a single contact. If possible, include a unique identifier such as an email address, and remove any blank rows, duplicate lines, or extra sheets. Save the file in UTF-8 if you're using special characters, and keep only plain values, no formulas. Open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. Once you're in the CRM, look to the left sidebar and click Sales to open the workspace where your contact data lives. Next, choose Contacts to land on the module where all your contacts are listed. At the top of the Contacts page, find the Create Contact button. It has a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that drop-down to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Import Contacts. This opens the Import wizard, which guides you through bringing in your file. On the import screen, make sure you're on the From File option. Click Browse to locate your prepared file on your computer. Select the file and click Open to attach it. When your file is attached and you're ready to continue, click Next. From here, Zoho will show a preview so you can verify the fields. Take a moment to confirm that each column from your file is mapped to the correct Zoho field. For example, your email column should map to the email field, and names should map to the appropriate name fields. If your file has phone numbers, make sure they're in a consistent format, and check that dates align with your Zoho date format. You'll typically see options to handle duplicates. Choosing email as a unique field is a reliable approach for most teams. If you import regularly, look for an option to save your mapping as a template so future imports are faster and more consistent. When you proceed, Zoho will process the import and notify you when it's done. You can review the import summary to see how many records were added, and if any rows failed, download the error file to correct and re-import just those rows. That's it. With a clean file and the right mappings, importing contacts into Zoho CRM is quick, reliable, and repeatable.